now so ubenya wo YouTube. Enti ene de yesua no eno no fa book ene o pen na yen hyase. Course near phonetic and phonology phonics ena ye de ebro. So time ben ena meka a, time ben ena meka a. Ti yen hwe. Ye be hwe number 1 CAT den. Aha, ye kan cat. E ni ye a ewo hono. So na CAT no ye di e so CATE. CATE. From your previous lessons no ye di kan asua say e twa word to na vowel bi ebeja no de a sa e no ye ntanya den emmo eye silent ti ye mfa nto yetim. Enti e na de abeso so wa ha no ye bo word na ye mmo nka ho but e wodwuma bi a edi. Enti yanko CAT eye cat, CATE eye Kate, Kate. Ada na yanka se kate ana se cat na questioner ye wo a ye busa no. Yenhwe MAT, MAT eye den eye mat, MAT mat. But MATE, MATE eno so obebo ne sen. MATE obebo ne sen. Aha. So ye bo ebebo no mate, mate, mate. Good. Number 3 RAP, RAP yabo ne sen. Yabo e no yabo ne sen, yabo ne a anase e. Ena RAPE, RAPE ane wo ho no yabo ne a anase e. Enche na mi bie phone lines no atum. Enche na mi bie phone lines na tum. Enti ye bie tum a na wa frɛ achirechire mu die nti a yabo ne say anase yabo no the other way around. So number 4 RAT, RAT yabo ne saying ena RATE and also yabo ne saying RAT. Say udi yadusua nechi a RAT no so wutumi eka baby ye do no ene lessons no ebebo am yetimi abo words bi to say RATE words bi a e twato na yewo just a consonant between a and e ina e twato no. Number 5 HAT, HAT yabo ne saying HATE. When you know common words are you nim a nipa dodo na betumi abo. Na mum ye per rational na adwen na eta ni mienu echi no esan say spellings no difference abamu ane say me de yi na me de aden me de abesoso e na mana asesa. So in this case no sign ye bisi aye no ne yetumi abo word no. So ye bie phone lines no atum now na wa frɛ na wa bobo words no na de wadwen kyerɛ nso aye den amen sentia yabo CAT cat na CATE yabo no Kate, MAT yabo no mat na MATE yabo no mate. Enti wo fra obebobo words yi aman RAP, RAPE,
Angel,
RAT, RATE, HAT, HATE na wachirichi mu amayen. Enti number obefre no me so show number yi eno na de benya live eno na be to me e de afraba program no so number ni is 024 66 77 566 Mrs. Subium 024 66 77 566 studio line no ena mabobo achewo no frɛ yes also our Vodafone line and also bet me a friend no 050 polish your English can kasa polish your English.
Hello?
Yes, you can polish your English. No one just so upgrade yourself. Polish your English. Okay, but you didn't have your free. Okay, Isaac, Pacho you. You say, Dentia, you bought CAT. You can cat CATE. You can Kate. MAT, mat, MATE, you can mate. Aha. So in that case, the RAP, you have one sign. RAP, you have one sign. RAP. Okay, RAPE. Rape, good. RAT. Yes. RATE. Good. HAT. HATE. Okay, and she say, didn't ya I hanom no any a na the other side no say a. Oh, okay. Why are there words now or no? What would be they say the kind explanation or rationale adrian a teach you know, and no, Anna, yes, you say, and polish your English. Polish your English. Or just so upgrade yourself. Hello. Pacho, on our friend, you know. Aha, yes, say, dentia, you can RAT, rat, RATE, you can rate. Dentia, a sound on a one, sansa. Aha, no, you're born a in rat, no, you're born a in rate. Dentia. Yes. RAT in swear. Aha. So dentia ma ano sound necessary. Aha. Yes. Yes. Hello? Hello? Oh, San Fre, why? San Fre. Wait me about read program no so. Fresh number is 0244. Polish your English.
Hello.
Polish your English. But just upgrade yourself. Polish your English. Okay. Ube to me asking Fre. Fre 024 66 77 566. Polish your English. Pacho radio no dum no mai. Ofra no abodin na aka baby afrefi. You can't polish your English. I just upgrade yourself. And also bit max upgrade your home. Aha. So yeah, train afre for. You say dentia you bought MAT mat mate mate oh denti a ye bone saa na aha no e no eye a aha e ni ye a ti denti a ye kane saa nti ofra obetumi e the explanation no aba na ya to aso aka some few minutes na yeah, that segment no aba wie ye ne ato aso. Polish your English.
Hello.
Yes, polish your English. Hello. Yes, yetio. Yes, say. Denti a MAT. Your bono mat. MATE. Your boy no so mate.
If it's a consonant sound.
Come again. What say if you say then? Consonant sound. You hear a consonant sound or no? Okay. Okay. What the sound fray be line no? Emu en na ho. To bet to me as sound fraying later. Also bet me a fresh sound number no abaso 02466775566. We a teacher near bet me a free. We a student parents. Polish your English.
Agree.
Yes, Pacho Udini baby a free. What say? Who free? Tie no phone num why? Tie no phone num. I'm saying your feedback ewa ha. Pacho then our mind. Obabubo words na my explanation no.
Explanation.
Okay, Pacho trim. Denti a MAT ye mat MATE ye mate.
Okay.
Pacho my explanation why?
He said